Narendra, and this is our Urban Fix project. So Urban Fix is a civic complaint management platform that helps the citizens to report local problems such as potholes, garbage dumps, drainage issues, and other municipal concerns. So basically, citizen can submit a complaint with a photo and a location. A municipal official will review the complaint and assign it to the appropriate ward supervisor. Once the work is completed, the municipal official verifies it and closes the complaint. So I'll quickly go over the flow of the application. So this is our main home page for the application. And if the citizen have already registered the complaint, and they can fill in their reference number and track it over here. So they'll be able to see the activity being done on the complaint, and they'll be able to track it. To create a new account, they can simply so basically they can either log in or they can register for a new account. So I'll quickly log in over here for a demo account. So this is the Sitnav tab section where they can update their profile information, and in the notification, citizen will get the notification updates whenever anything changes related to their complaint. And in the My Complaint section, they can see all their previous complaints, and they can further update it based on the status. Basically, filter it based on the status. To create a new complaint, they can simply click over here and select an image and continue. So basically, in the backend, we have a Gemini Vision LLM model that will provide a description for it, and they'll also assign a category for this image as well. So it was a pothole image, so it have already picked the pothole from all the available categories. So and for the location, this feature will automatically pick the geo coordinates of the citizen, and it will list over here. So for the potholes, we are basically using YOLO models for the pothole and garbage related images. So the YOLO model will assign a priority and a severity score as per the image. So I'll just continue ahead and submit this complaint. So yeah, this complaint has been submitted with the reference number 236, and also we can see it has the priority level of critical. So YOLO model have assigned the critical priority to this specific complaint. And also in the backend, based on the geo coordinates, it will automatically pick a city/ward number for this complaint. So I'll quickly go into the our official page. So for the municipal official, they can log in on their end. So this is the demo account that we have. I'm sorry. Yeah, so this is the official dashboard. So this is for the municipal official. So they can view the general statistical information over here and their recent act complaint information over here. And then we have like the verification section. We'll come back to this. And for the complaint queue, they can see all the previous complaints listed over here. And then we have the notification section in case like we just submitted this new complaint, it has been assigned to them. So it received a notification. And in the profile, the official can see their assigned ward and they can update the information accordingly. So as you can see, the 236 complaint that we submitted, it's available in here right now. And as per the timeline, Priya Sharma, citizen, submitted it. And the coordinates are listed over here. So official can make the changes, like they can change the priority level, and they can further update the status, and they can further like even update the ward as well in case they feel they are changing the ward. So quickly update the information over here, and then they can assign the supervisor who will get the work done. So in this case, I will assign the victim. Save updates. So the complaint have moved to the assigned status, and the complaint timeline, any comments or any changes made to the complaint will be listed over here. So we'll now move to the victim, which is a supervisor, to their dashboard. So this is the complaint that we were working on, 236, and it has been listed over here. So this is overall supervisors and dashboard. Setup is pretty much same. There's a general statistical information like regarding the complaints related to the victim. And then we have the assigned tab where they can view their previous /assigned complaints, and they can filter them according to the status or the priority level. And then there is a notification section and profile where they can update the information or view the assigned reports. So for the notification section, we can see this complaint has been assigned to them, and victim can start working on this complaint. So started. So to move it to the in progress, and in progress where we can basically pick. So this is just the demo image. Yeah, and they can further add a comment. Done, post update. So they have basically some supervisor can basically submit a photo as a proof for the verification, and whatever changes they make, it will be reflected in the timeline as well. So currently it's at the work completed status. We can simply move it to the verification step. So once a complaint reaches the verifications pending status, so basically official will get the notification back that the supervisor has done their work, and they will review the work done by the supervisor. So this is the official's dashboard, and we can simply click on the notification and we can see the pending verification notification. So here official can either reject it or they can approve it. So in this case I'll approve the work. So if they do reject it, it will simply go back to the supervisor again. It will be in the assigned status and they have to do the in progress work completed and submit the proof again, and it will again go into the verification pending state, will come back to the official. They will get the notification for the another verification, and once they deem that it's good to close the complaint, they'll update it accordingly. So yeah, right now the complaint has been closed by the official as it's in the closed status. Once the complaint is in the closed status, the citizens will receive a notification on their end. So by the way, citizens receiving the notification at every step, whatever changes have been made on the complaint. So right now it shows that a complaint has been approved. So basically now they have the 48 hours to reopen this complaint. So for the citizen, if they think that the work done by them wasn't good enough, so they can basically submit the reopen request, and it will again get reassigned to the official, and they can again update the status accordingly, and they can just leave the comment and start working. So the same process follows. The official assigns the supervisor. Supervisor completes the work. It gets official verifies it again, and again customer have the option to reopen it in case they think that work done by them by the municipal party is not satisfactory. So this is the overall flow of the application. Now we also have the admin dashboards. Quickly log into it. So in the admin dashboard, we can basically see the general information, general statistical information over here. And then there is this resolution time trend. So based like how the complaints are being closed as per the past history. And then we have the status distribution of the complaints. Here, admin can add a new user. They can update the existing user. Like they can, for any staff member, they can change their role to the supervisor or the official. They can further update their wards as well. Like they can add additional word to that specific user. So see, and we can basically other correct activities. They can like delete or block the user. And then we have the complaint section where admin can see all the previous complaints, and they can take the appropriate steps. So they can like update the category. They can reassign the official or the supervisor as well, or they can delete the complaint. We have the option to export this whole section or all the complaints in a CSV. Further, we can like filter it based on the status or priority or based on the dates. And then we have the wards. So admin can basically do the CRUD activities for the wards. They can add new wards, delete the existing one, and just the simple CRUD activities. Same thing for the cities, simple CRUD activities they can do. And same thing for the department and categories as well. So admin can basically add, delete, update these entities. And for the report section, so basically admin can generate the reports. It's pretty much the same export CSV feature over here as well. They can simply select a specific city over here, apply the filter, and they'll get the ward's performance by the ward itself. So in this case, we don't have any complaints listed. So due to the lack of data, no graphs. Here, admin can just update the basic settings for the application, like reopen window for the citizen, maximum image upload size, and the default SLA days, which is 15. So within 15 days, the complaint must be closed. Or these are the another few settings they can toggle. So here, as per the admin, any action they take, it will be listed over here. So it's just we're basically pulling the logs in, and then we finally have the profile over here, where admin can make the profile related changes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our application. And also, in case citizen submits the same complaint twice, so the system is smart enough, it will detect that it's a duplicate complaint, and the official will get a notification. They will be able to merge that complaint into the master complaint. So due to the time constraint, I am not showing that feature. But yeah, that's pretty much it, and thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.